Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can add a two-step verification to your Roblox account. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first thing you need to do is to open Roblox on your device. You can open it on your mobile device, or you can follow the same steps on a computer as well. So the next thing you need to do is to tap on More. From there, you need to tap on Settings. And in settings, you need to choose security. So once you tap on security, so guys, it will bring you here. And here, as you can see, Authenticator app. So you need to enable this one. So once you enable that, they say use your passkey to confirm it's really you. Your device will ask for your fingerprint, Face ID, or screen lock. So you need to verify first. You need to tap on that one. In some cases, if you don't have a passkey, they will ask your password to verify. So I will scan the finger here, and as you can see, it is done. And now they say the Authenticator app. So here, you need to download an Authenticator app. The best one that I know is the Google Authenticator. You can download it on your device, on another device as well. And all you need to do is to scan this QR code. So I will show you how to scan this QR code, and then once you do so, you need to enter the 6-digit code from that Authenticator app here, and then you will tap on verify. So I will show you all the steps. I have to open the Authenticator app on my other mobile device. So I will open it here. As you can see, this is Google Authenticator. I will blur all this because these are the code. You need to tap on the plus sign and here scan the QR code. So once you do so, you need to scan the QR code just like this. And here they say Roblox, as you can see, Roblox. And from here, I can copy this 6-digit code by tapping it long, and it will copy. And I need to paste it here, or you can enter it manually as well. So I will enter the code here manually, the 6-digit code that is on the Authenticator app, and then you need to tap on verify. So once you tap on verify, and they say that these are your new backup codes, please save them as you will not be able to see this code again later. So you can take a screenshot of this one as well. So I will take a screenshot. You can save that file with you, and then I have saved my backup codes, and then all you need to do is to just tap on close. So I will bring you here, and now as you can see, the Authenticator app has been enabled. So guys, this is all it takes to set up an Authenticator app for your Roblox account. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.